Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how you can write an essay by using ChatGPT. Now, in the tutorial before, we've seen how you can use ChatGPT to write longer. Now, we're going to keep within the same essay because we did talk about essays. Now, you can just write me an essay about the certain topic that you want. So, if you want to write me an essay about the English book named Macbeth, write me an essay about maths, write me an essay about the mitochondria, write me an essay about anything, it will write you an essay. But if you do not give it a threshold, it's going to write within what they think you would want them to write. For example, if you want an essay about the mitochondria, they'll probably give you about 500 to 600 characters long because there is not a lot to do about the mitochondria. But if you say, I want you to write me an essay about the mitochondria within 2000 characters long, it's going to write you anything towards 2000 characters, but it's going to talk more and more in depth about what you want them to write about. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.